Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 007 First Light black screen issues, stuck on a black screen, not launching, crashing at startup, or not opening on PC. Follow these solutions one by one until the game starts working properly. Let's get started. Solution 1. Launch the game directly from the game folder. First, open the game installation folder. Locate 007 firstlight.exe. Double-click the executable file to launch the game directly, instead of launching it through Steam. If the game launches successfully, you can continue using this method. If not, move on to the next solution. Solution 2. Change compatibility settings. Locate 007 firstlight.exe. Right-click the file and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, and then OK. Now try launching the game. If that doesn't work, return to the Compatibility tab. Enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Click Apply, and then OK. Launch the game again. If the issue still persists, go back and uncheck all compatibility options. Click Apply, and then OK. Solution 3. Set the game to High Performance in Graphics Settings. Open the Start menu and type Graphics Settings. Open it. Select Add Desktop App. Browse to the game folder and locate 007 firstlight.exe. Select the file and click Add. Now expand 007 Firstlight. From the drop-down menu, select High Performance. Now launch the game. Solution 4. Force the NVIDIA GPU. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA Control Panel. Open it. Go to Manage 3D Settings. Open Program Settings. Click Add. Select 007 Firstlight. Then click Add Selected Program. Under the Preferred Graphics Processor setting, select High Performance NVIDIA Processor. Click Apply. Now launch the game again. Solution 5. Disable the integrated graphics card. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Display Adapters. Locate your integrated graphics card. Right-click it and select Disable Device. Now launch the game. Once you're done playing, remember to return to Device Manager and re-enable the integrated graphics card. Solution 6. If you're using multiple monitors, try disconnecting or turning off all secondary displays. Run the game using only one monitor. Many launch and black screen issues can be caused by multi-monitor setups. 007 First Light should now launch correctly without getting stuck on a black screen or crashing during startup.